Did you know 1 in 7 adults now has chronic kidney disease? And most don't even realize it? Your kidneys filter 200 liters of blood daily, removing toxins, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure. But with modern diets full of processed foods, sugar, and sodium, these vital organs are under unprecedented attack. The scary truth? By the time you notice symptoms like fatigue or swelling, up to 90% of kidney function may already be lost. But here's the good news. Nature has powerful solutions. Today, we reveal the top 4 scientifically proven superfoods that detoxify your kidneys, prevent stones, and could even help you avoid dialysis. Stay until the end for a surprising bonus tip that most doctors don't mention. Fruit 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are nature's secret weapon against urinary tract infections, thanks to their unique combination of bioactive compounds. The star players are proanthocyanidins, which prevent harmful bacteria like E. coli from adhering to urinary tract walls, and quinic acid, which acidifies urine to discourage both infections and kidney stone formation. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows regular cranberry consumers experience 45% fewer UTIs compared to those who don't include them in their diet. For maximum benefits, opt for unsweetened cranberry juice or fresh frozen berries. The sugary cocktail mixes defeat the purpose. Try this cranberry kidney cleanse smoothie. Blend 1 cup cranberries with 1/2 cucumber, a natural diuretic, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, their fiber helps bind toxins, and coconut water for hydration and electrolytes. Important note, while cranberries are incredibly beneficial, they're also high in oxalates. If you're prone to oxalate kidney stones, limit yourself to 1 serving per day and maintain adequate hydration to mitigate any risks. Fruit 2. Lemons. Lemons are one of nature's most potent tools for preventing kidney stones, thanks to their high citric acid content. Research from the Journal of Urology shows that citric acid boosts urinary citrate levels by 300%, effectively stopping calcium-based stones from forming. Even just half a lemon a day can reduce stone recurrence by 40%. Despite their tart taste, lemons have an alkalizing effect on urine, making it harder for crystals to develop. For the best kidney detox, start your day with a morning lemon elixir, mix warm water, the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of baking soda to enhance alkalization, and a teaspoon of raw honey for its antibacterial benefits. Always use fresh lemon juice. Bottled versions are pasteurized and lack the active enzymes needed for maximum kidney protection. Fruit 3. Watermelon. Watermelon isn't just a summertime favorite, it's a powerhouse for kidney health, functioning like a natural IV drip to flush toxins efficiently. Composed of 92% water, it hydrates the body and cleanses the kidneys twice as fast as plain water, helping to prevent stone formation. The fruit is also rich in lycopene, an antioxidant proven by the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry to reduce oxidative stress, shielding kidneys from cellular damage. Additionally, watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that relaxes blood vessels, easing hypertension-related strain on the kidneys. For maximum benefits, don't discard the rind. The white portion holds even more citrulline than the flesh. Blend it into a kidney-clearing watermelon juice with ginger to fight inflammation and lime to increase citrate, a keystone inhibitor. Enjoy it before noon. Its strong diuretic effect can disrupt sleep if consumed too late. Fruit 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are tiny but mighty defenders of kidney function, packed with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to kidney damage. Research in the American Society of Nephrology shows that regular blueberry consumption can reduce inflammation in renal tissues and slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. Their high vitamin C and fiber content also support detoxification by enhancing urinary flow and neutralizing harmful free radicals. Unlike cranberries, blueberries are low in oxalates, making them a safer choice for those prone to kidney stones. Their natural sweetness makes them an easy addition to any kidney-friendly diet. Try this kidney-protective blueberry elixir. Blend 1 cup of blueberries with 1/2 cup coconut water for hydration, a squeeze of lime to boost citrate levels, and a teaspoon of flax seeds for anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Frozen blueberries retain most of their nutrients, so they're a great year-round option. Aim for at least 1/2 cup daily to maximize their protective benefits without overloading on natural sugars. Bonus: the forgotten kidney protector. 90% miss this. Parsley isn't just a garnish. It's nature's most powerful herbal diuretic and a secret weapon for kidney detox. Packed with apigenin, a compound proven to boost urine output by 300%. Parsley flushes toxins with unmatched efficiency. Its high chlorophyll content also binds to heavy metals like cadmium, a major kidney toxin, helping to purge them from the body. For a next-level kidney cleanse, brew a nuclear detox tea. Steep a handful of fresh parsley with 1 teaspoon dandelion root, another kidney-loving herb, in hot water. Drink this potent blend 3 times a week to support deep detoxification. 3. Foods that are secretly killing your kidneys. While loading up on kidney-friendly foods is crucial, avoiding these stealthy destroyers is just as important. Soda packed with phosphoric acid. Soda leaches calcium into your urine, fueling the formation of painful kidney stones. Even diet versions are dangerous due to their artificial additives. 2. Processed meats. Deli meats, bacon, and sausages contain nitrates and excessive sodium, which damage delicate kidney filtration systems and accelerate decline in renal function over time. 3 artificial sweeteners, common in sugar-free products. Aspartame and sorbitol trigger oxidative stress and inflammation, worsening kidney damage, especially in those already at risk. The fix? Swap these for real. Whole foods. Your kidneys filter 200 quarts of blood daily. Don't make their job harder. Final verdict: your kidney rescue plan. If you only do one thing, start your day with warm lemon water. It's the simplest, most affordable way to boost kidney function and prevent stones. Just half a lemon in water can slash your risk by 40%. For maximum detox, rotate these 3 powerhouse remedies weekly. Cranberry, for UTI defense. Watermelon, for deep hydration. And parsley, for heavy metal detox. Your kidneys will thrive on this natural cleanse cycle. When to see a doctor? Get a creatinine blood test if you notice foamy urine, protein leakage, swollen ankles or puffy eyes, fluid retention, unexplained fatigue, waste buildup. Early detection saves kidneys. Did we miss your favorite kidney-friendly food? Debate us in the comments, subscribe for our next expose.